out of the gate using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint in bright red, phthalo blue, bright yellow, and titanium white and black. I've got 3 5x5 little canvases. I did half black and half white on the base and then used each of the colors by themselves on the things, and I have to say, on the canvases, and I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. Just gorgeous. Just did straight pours out of the bottle onto the canvas and did some tilting. Just really pleased with how it's turning out. The colors are so dynamic. I was a little concerned at first because the white was a little thick, but I mean, look at this blue. That phthalo blue is just gorgeous. I love just the nuances. It's almost like the ocean. I mean, just beautiful. Probably could have done a little more tilting on the edge. We'll see if it covers or not. Like, these were just kind of actually test pieces for a series, a video series I'm going to be putting out. Just to kind of show an example of here are the colors that I'm using. But I have to say, I'm really pleased at how they held together. And like I said, on each one of those, bottom half black, top half white. Obviously, the more tilting, you had a little more one way or the other. But the colors really held up. Very excited to play more with these and sort of see what we get. But in the meantime, I have to say, I'm very happy. We will see how they turn out. But so far, that's a big thumbs up from me on the Artist Loft Ready Pour Paints.